mom's life, we tried to capture the most special memories from her past in celebration of her 60 years of awesomeness.
Cousin named Ronnie, the girl just 15. Silencing sparrows seems a bit extreme and a little mean. I could tell her to run, and he'll hit with a gun. Dispatch them all with eyesight so keen. It's a thrill, hard to wait until, and every windmill is a thrill. It's been fun, raised under the hands of sun, while tumbling on the run. It's been fun. Where you from, he asked. She quickly said, Ulysses. That's great County, right? How about some kisses? I should have said, bit hasty perhaps. Credit his love of maps. 2 months later she agreed to be his missus. But it's been good, doing as they could, not the way it should. It's been good, it's been great, from the very first day. The end it feels like fate. It's been great. What a joy through the years it has been, raising her 4 little men.
And a tinge.
Only one thing could spoil it, the seat of the toilet. It's up, she sits down and falls in. It's been nice, 4 dozen ginger spice, 1 toilet did suffice. It's been nice, it's been fun, always on the run, from morning to setting sun. It's been fun. A school nurse now, a year over 59.
That's old.
Still listening to kids argue, fuss, and whine. With the boogers, scrapes, and lice, and the band-aids, hugs, and ice. Did we mention she's a year over 59? She's a waker, early morning waker. What you call a risk taker, she's a maker. Never a faker. Drove to the baker, makes quilts by the acre, puzzle maker. What a joy through the years it has been.
Who did this?
It was all of us. Bart. Yeah, what do you think about it first? So, for those of you who don't know, the first line was about a true story based on something she did with her cousin at 15. And her grandmother asked her to get rid of some squawking birds outside of her window. So they went out and took care of that. And then
That's where you get it.
I think I got the story right with you and Mom, right?
Sounds about right.
You asked her where she was from. She said Ulysses, and you said that's Grant County, right?
I was so impressed.
And I think now though that they might call that stalking. And then the third line, you want to read it since it's your limerick? It's a little different now, but
Yeah, what a joy through the years it has been, raising her 4 little men. and a gin. Only one thing could spoil it, the seat of the toilet. It's up, she sits down and falls in, and that would be in the middle of the night. I would just,
So that was really that was really
The
it.
focal point.
The inspiration.
The rest of it just came out like butter. And then the last part is just about being, where you are now. So.
One toilet did suffice all the years we lived in the parsonage with one little bathroom.
You should have said and a shower.
I was thinking the yard.
One toilet and a shower.
And the yard.
Oh, shower in the basement.
Yeah.
You never use it.
Oh, well, thank you all. You're amazing. And it has been good. I'm thankful beyond words for all of you and for all of God's goodness. And that's enough.
Yeah, we decided if you didn't cry, it must not have been good.
Does laugh until you cry count too?
Okay, so I think we can do.
Hey, Garrett. Garrett.
What?
Can you help him and or Ethan?
Ethan, come here, where's your cup? Bring me your cup. On Valentine's Day.
Grandma. What'd you get?
You got a list. New letter from Huntsville for Valentine's Day present. I had a brother-in-law came, they stayed one night out in the middle of the night. They came walking the street.
I know who this is from.
Well, yeah, that way you won't lose it. It took us 2 days.
Sandy came out to Liberal and he was in Paradise.
Turned off. I didn't know if you wanted me to keep going.